Welcome to another DIY video. After a quick wet sand and a blow dry, it was time to take all the accessory pieces off so that we could start painting it white. After removing the accessory pieces, it was time to give the rear bar a wipe down with some isopropyl alcohol, get any of the oil off from my hands. Don't forget to mask up, as you don't want to be breathing in any of the toxic chemicals from the paint. We're going with the hair and white, same as that come out of the factory. Ended up using 3 rattle cans to get even coverage of the rear bar. And here is where the fatal flaw was made. The can that I grabbed for the clear ended up being a satin clear instead of a normal, so the rear bar is satin while the rest of my car is gloss. Inside each wheel well there'll be 2 body clips you'll have to remove to pull the plastic forwards so you can undo the body clips. Remove the rear scratch plate out of the boot so you can pull all your carpet forwards to access all the bolts and the light. You will need a 10mm socket or spanner to remove the lights from the housing. With a good tug on the rear bar, you should be able to pull it clean from the car body. If you have sensors, pull the sensors out and don't forget to disconnect the wires.
You'll have to take the body parts off the SS rear bar as well, otherwise they won't fit. So don't forget to grab them as well, or you'll be going back to collect more parts. And then just go and find some hardware that fits. There you go. Calais to SFV rear bar conversion done.
After you've attached both lights and rear bar mounting brackets, you can put the new SSV rear bar on. In this case, I had DRL taillights to go with it. After you have bolted the rear bar back onto the car, you can then start putting all your body clips back in. You get the car off the jack stands and enjoy all that hard work. I have to say I really enjoy the new look, makes the car look a lot more aggressive. If you enjoyed the video, give a like and subscribe to keep updated for all the new content.